part 2 of the trip to up north. We are on our way back. And once again, the leaves from the trees did not disappoint. So beautiful. Another round of this.
Yeah. Wow.
So beautiful. I think the sun's kind of coming down too.
Mm-hmm.
It's definitely different now. On the way back, it honestly didn't even feel that long. And it was so beautiful. Such an amazing view. Just taking it all in. Seeing the water. The trees with the beautiful colors. Seeing the sun setting. So wonderful. So grateful. I just love seeing views like this and being able to just take it in and feeling these moments, especially being with someone too on the ride and having those conversations. It was nice. And here is the another place we went to. Went to a nature trail. Actually wasn't too far to where we were staying at. And look how beautiful, just the color of the leaves on the trees. So many trees, like endless amount of trees. I was just amazed at how many trees there were. Like, just God's creation is amazing. Definitely want to go back, or not even just go back, but just do something similar to this. Yeah, the footage was blurry right there. No big deal, really. It's nice seeing all this, taking all this in, appreciating the moments. Look at that color right there. Don't go too far, Nova. Don't do a trail. Yeah, it's so bright over here. Colorful. Yeah. So cool. I honestly love nature trails. It was so nice getting to do this. This is something I definitely needed. Definitely felt like I healed from this for sure. Nice seeing everything grow as well around us. Are those mushrooms out there too?
Yeah. Yep, those are kind of like those other ones.
Oh yeah, they're everywhere over here too.
Yeah. They're like big versions of those ones that we just saw. I kind of want
See that, Nova?
Hey, you guys, we're going to turn around. Definitely feel like you're in the middle of nowhere.
Yeah, for sure. It sounds like we're too far from Nemi. The trail was so colorful. I was just amazed by all the beauty around. Right. All the trees, the mushrooms. There was just mushrooms everywhere. So cool. It honestly was pretty quiet too. And we didn't see any other people either. It's just us. The whole time. So it was nice. Lots more mushrooms. They're pretty big too. Sun was out, peeking. Sky looked pretty too. Oh, see the mushrooms, Nova?
Okay.
sound system.
It's roots.
Okay.
One on this one too.
Spiders. And home.
Much mushrooms over here on this tree. Wow.
It's my daddy.
Should I keep walking?
This road would take us back to the car. We can walk back.
Oh, will it?
Yeah, I want to see. Oh, I don't even know what road this is. Some little.
Yeah. Whoa. There's a tree right there. I like that tree. Yeah, we made it.
Alright. I think we're going to stop here. Nice to the top of the hill.
Yep.
Yeah, it's nice and neat.
Out here in nature, exactly where I wanted to be. Appreciate this moment in time. Grateful to be out here, being a silent, being a trail. So cool seeing the bug, seeing the mushrooms, seeing the trees, all the people all around. So wonderful out here. Grateful, blessed. There's Noah right there. She's running. Lots of playing with her. No.
Just wet.
Oh, are you? Oh, I'm sorry. The stars were so pretty that night. They were popping, so many of them. It was so nice getting to see that. One of my dreams is being able to just see the stars wide open like that. I know I've seen it before, but it's been such a long time. I'm a different person than what I was before. I'm so grateful for that experience. Got some like the sunrise. So beautiful out today. Turkey feather. Yep.
I think it belongs to a birdie.
Yep, sure does. A big birdie.
A feather.
Yep, feather. Take a picture.
Yes. Okay.
I was bummed that we had to leave, but I was still grateful for the trip. And the trip had to end at some point. There's a beginning and there's an end to every story. So we must appreciate and take it in, observe, learn and grow from the times that we get. Another stop that we went to. It's a nice beach. Nice view as well. Nova playing with the sand. I also play with the sand a little bit too. And sunset, it was crazy. Like it popping out like that. That was insane. That's an insane sunset. Same for this too. Through the clouds, unbelievable. Hope you guys enjoyed. Much love. Thank you for watching.